Restart.
Good morning to my expected principal sir, my expected teacher, and all my friends. I would like to say thank you to give me a chance to speak on Republic Day. My name is Muhammad Arosh. I read in senior KG. We celebrate Republic Day of India on the 26th of January. Republic Day is a national festival of India. On this day, the Constitution of India came into force. No 26th January 1950. The Constitution is the supreme law of India. Baba Saheb Ambedkar is the father of the Constitution of India. Thank you.